Harris County is ahead of the curve in incorporating new equipment with a paper trail. The new machines ensure our elections are safer and more secure than ever. At check-in, you'll receive 2 sheets of special ballot paper with your access code. Now all you have to remember is that you're done in 4 and then out the door. Insert your first sheet of special paper into the voting machine and hold on to the second one. Make your selections using the touchscreen or access device. Print and review your choices. You will be prompted to insert your second sheet of paper once the first sheet is finished printing. If you see a mistake or you change your mind about a choice, tell an election worker. You can correct your ballot up to 2 more times so that it is exactly the way you want it. Your vote is officially cast when you insert your reviewed ballot into the scan. You will insert the sheets of paper one at a time. When the American flag appears after you've scanned in your first sheet, wait until the screen prompts you to enter your second sheet. Insert your second sheet. Your ballot has been cast when both ballot sheets have been inserted and the screen displays the American flag after each sheet. For more information or to find your closest polling location, please visit harrisvotes.com.